Dandavat Pranams, Jai, Lord, Sisi Guru Garanga, Srila Bhakti Ashraya Maharaj, seeing this wonderful production done by the devotees of the Russian movement and under your inspiration, Mahayogi Prabhu narrating. Very beautiful to see Brihat Bhagavatamrita Sanatana Goswami, his expressions of the higher, lower, middle, higher planetary systems. This is very comprehensive and deeply related to our teachings, how the soul can come out of the matrix and come into its true potential as the servitor of the divine. And looking and seeing all the hard work that you put into it, this will be a great inspiration and preaching tool in the future in the Western world, into the greater world at large. Jai, Srila Bhakti Ashraya Maharaj ki jai, devotees ki jai. And of course, Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda Goswami Guru Maharaj, they wanted this teaching and this great knowledge to go everywhere. So by the hard work and the service to the devotees, we have that chance, and the devotees are being empowered as conduits for the service. Jai, Shri Gurudev ki jai. Jai.